पूरी दुनिया से कहो कॉन्फिडेंस।
Joining this academy has really taught me a lot of things and a lot of perspectives, a lot of views and a lot of breakthroughs.
I saw my Guruma, I call her Guruma.
Can you see me very well? Dipti Harsha Dwarkar, and I am on a mission to help 100,000 bakers become happy and financially independent.
दीप्ति मैम इज़ सुपर्ब, नाइस गुरु, बहुत इनकरेज किया उन्होंने हमें और बहुत ऐसे हैं कि गुरु अच्छा हो तो शिष्य भी अच्छा बनता है.
But then first when I saw Deepti's reel on Instagram, I just thought fine, let me take a try. I really never thought all this would happen.
So yes, this award reassurance that consistency over confusion, persistence over perfection, and also your commitment to yourself.
But then Super Baker program, when I attended, it was so motivating for me because I joined the Diamond member club also. But this is a small startup for me because the community is great. Whenever we want help, they will immediately answer. Could be in the form of questions or any technical doubts also. So it's a very friendly team. And yes, next I'm hoping for the next upgrading awards also as well. Thanks for Deepti and thanks to her team. Thank you so much.
Baking was my cup of tea. And when people say, Sujata, you are making cakes which tastes very good and is also mesmerizing, so it has actually given me a lot of confidence.
I didn't know ABC of baking from before that. So right now it became my passion.
I was also pursuing it in my own way, but only thing what was lacking is a little bit of a consistency, which I think DBA helped, break that pattern.
When I started, it was very simple. I just wanted to bake for my family.
I don't know what motivated me, but it was mostly Deepti ma'am's, positive energy, the vibes of DVA, so that got me joined the diamond session as well.
But after gradually, it has now become that now I'm earning from that. Earlier, people used to just like these cakes brought smiles on my family, but now it has turned that even people like my customers like my cakes and I am being known because of my cakes.
Everything is here. मैं भूल गई कि मेरे को कोई कैंसर भी है, कि अगर मैं 3 times कैंसर सर्वाइव करके कर सकती हूँ तो you can also do. मेरा मेन मोटिव ये है, give smile and receive smile.
With such a motivating message that lit my spirit, and I said, why don't I just try? What is there? It's not much. I can invest just around that much money, which she said, and I'll do something and I won't say anything to anybody. And I just went and I enrolled myself.
सच बताऊं, मुझे DBA Academy में बहुत ही ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिला. शी इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिंग. बहुत अच्छे से सारा जो है प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छे से डिज़ाइन किया गया है. I go to many orders. I got so much confident in myself. And I got so much customers and my creativity also goes very level up.
The very fact that I would be here receiving this award from this academy motivated me to come all the way from Goa. And receiving this award, I am simply motivated to move on ahead.
I feel very proud of myself for being able to complete this journey. And also it is a proud moment for my children too. They too also are taking active part.
And I found a new purpose and really new strength and joy in my baking journey.
Confidence तो बहुत आया है और सब पहचानते भी है अभी.
It's a very precious moment for me.
Ma'am is such an amazing coach. I mean, I have learned so much from her. The recipes are so well curated.
And I thank this academy, especially Miss Deepti, for being such a great mentor, coach par excellence. I can't say more than that, because if it was not her, if she was not the one instrumental in my life, I don't think I would be here.
I'm so very much happy about that.
what I got from DVA, it's much beyond. A totally new me, a refined me, a polished me, a purposeful me. Today I know where I am. I know where I am supposed to lead tomorrow.
I was very excited to conduct this event, and looking at every participant's shares, looking at their stories, the transformation, the breakthroughs that they have got, it really fills me with so much joy, and it really inspires me to do one more event. A short message for the business women. I just want to share to all the business women that it is possible. If one person has done it, then it is possible to learn how she has done it, and the same thing, if you are able to repeat, you will be able to get the same success. So everything and anything is possible. Journey started with that horrible cake. Then I started baking for my family. I started baking for the people in my society. Slowly people started asking me to bake for them, and that gave me so much more joy, which was more than the money that I used to receive. And while I was growing in my baking journey, I also realized that there are so many women. I realized that I need to share how did I do it in my own business, how did I made a multi-crore business with just a simple passion for baking. And that was the moment I realized that yes, I have to go on a mission to help 100,000 people become happy as well as financially independent through the power of baking. So inside DVA, we take all the members through a journey, right? So the first journey is going to be all about how you can launch your bakery. The second phase of this journey is going to be all about how you can earn money through this business. The third phase is going to be all about how you can scale this business. And the fourth stage is all about how you can create impact in the society through your baking skills. Dipti Vartak Academy for you, where bakers dream bigger and they become unstoppable.